I'd like to thank everyone for coming. My name's Tom Boyd. I'm the project manager for 3D Corporation. I've worked in the industry for 14 years, have multiple Microsoft certifications, and today what we are going to be talking about is the cloud. This is going to be a Cloud 101 presentation. For those of you who are already fairly knowledgeable about what the cloud is, I might be going over some redundant details for you. I apologize in advance for that, but this is supposed to be a primer on the cloud. So with that out of the way, why don't we begin? Cloud 101, what is the cloud? What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is software and hardware computing resources accessible over the internet. So in previous models of computing, most resources would be kept internal to an organization, run on their own hardware and software, configured internally, supported and maintained internally, and accessed locally. And then access when away from the office would have to be provided via the internet connection of that business. In cloud computing, these hardware and software resources are moved off-site to a third-party provider that is operating over the internet. The resources are accessible from an internet connection. Concept dates to 1960, which is of course before the creation of the internet, but at the time these resources might be hosted by a university in San Francisco and accessed by a university over in, say, Boston. Can be separated into private and cloud concepts. Has been available to the public since the 1990s. Anyone who's used Hotmail, Yahoo Mail, has used a cloud service before. Many people are using cloud services for free right now, usually in regards to email. Can be defined as distributed computing. So essentially, instead of all of your resources being on one system used by one entity, in cloud computing, the resources might be distributed across a wide array of hardware with no single component being critical to the operation, and might be shared by multiple different entities known as tenants.